Consumer packaged good companies are navigating complex pressures, from accelerating AI adoption to meeting evolving consumer and employee expectations. I'm Tom Edwards, and I'm going to share how an ecosystem approach is helping CPG companies navigate transformation through AI, while improving experiences for both customers and employees. A consistent challenge organizations in the consumer packaged good industry face, it's the pressure to accelerate transformation through artificial intelligence, while also meeting consumer expectations for personalized experiences and seamless omnichannel engagement. Companies face data overload and the challenge of converting information into actionable insights among growing demands for global regulatory compliance. These challenges can lead to revenue volatility, margin compression, and slowed innovation. A leading beverage company basically sought to improve their employee experience. They wanted to enhance productivity through digital work frames enabled by AI. Employees, they often struggle to find support across IT, HR, finance, and other functions. They relied on informal networks and fragmented systems. And this led to inefficiencies and inconsistencies of service delivery. The EY ServiceNow Alliance team worked incredibly closely with the organization. They wanted to reimagine how employees could access support, how core services were basically delivered. So together, we developed a digital-first, omnichannel approach that incorporated technologies for service delivery and productivity. So by leveraging Alliance capabilities, the team helped implement a more integrated strategy, aligned with the organization's goals, supporting a more consistent and streamlined employee experience. An ecosystem approach, it allows organizations to collaborate with strategic technology providers while reducing the complexity of integrating systems and capabilities. This approach also supports flexible architecture design, help basically to reduce the risk of vendor dependency, and enabling scalable innovation. A few key insights from the transformation of this. A results-oriented ecosystem approach, it's absolutely essential in navigating the evolving AI landscape. Scaling AI basically requires cross-platform collaboration and a shared commitment to outcomes. And as multi-agent systems and cross-alliance strategies become even more prevalent, the united ecosystem approach is increasingly important to successfully enable AI at scale. In organizations that move beyond experimentation and basically embrace collaborative, future-focused transformation, they're best positioned to meet today's demands and lead into tomorrow.